This is OpenClaw and it's taking the internet by storm, your personal AI assistant. And you can use it for free today. Just follow my tutorial. We're gonna install OpenClaw, which is this simple command here. Just copy it, paste it into your terminal. It asks you if you're sure. It's a risky permission, so be sure to tighten any security on your device. We're gonna choose Quick Start. We're gonna put in as a model a custom provider. And here we're gonna type https://amplitude API. First, we're gonna go to my amplitude. We're gonna sign up. After that, we're gonna wait a bit. When our account is activated, we can sign in. And when we are signed in, we can actually go to settings, account, and there is the API key. You're gonna generate it, copy it, and once we have an API key, that's it. For your API key, you can paste the key you just copied, and then it is OpenAI compatible, so just enter. We're gonna choose as model ID coder 30B, and this should work. So your endpoint ID now is just whatever you want. I just press enter, model alias, web UI, and then we're gonna start with the Telegram bot. I'm gonna create a new bot token, which you can do by going to Telegram, to the bot father. Just search for here, bot father, and here we go for the new bot command. So we're gonna open the app. Just type /new bot. All right, new bot. Okay, MAFIMA works. And here we got the API to the bot. Be sure to copy it to your terminal. And there we go. So now it's gonna ask me which skills I wanted to configure. And you also need to install brew. So in this case, we're gonna use this command to install brew. There is one password, there's Blockwatcher, there's some Twitter, Blue CI, CamSnap, ClawHub, 8CTL. You can use GitHub and Gorg for mail. Press enter to go to the next step. And now it's gonna install all the skills, which is gonna take. And when the skills are installed, it should look like this. We're gonna skip all the API keys. And the hooks we're gonna skip as well. And now everything is ready to go. You can either hatch your bot in a TUI, which is a terminal UI, or you can hatch it in a web UI, which sometimes does some conflict. So we're gonna start with a TUI. So for the last step, we need to edit the OpenClaw config because the default context length is too little. You can just go to .openclaw or search for this openclaw.json. And here we have this context window. This needs to be 16 instead of 4000. Save it. OpenClaw gateway restart. And this should refresh your bot. So OpenClaw dashboard should open this token with your new bot and say hello. There we go. Hello there, it's nice to meet you. How can I help you today? So that's it. That's a full setup. We can also talk in Telegram. So these are the commands. These are the skills. So in Telegram, we can type in /new or just press this and then scroll down for start a new session. And then we can tell him code a Python script that shows the weather in Germany. And then on the top, you can see him typing. And now the bot is gonna work for you. And that's it. You can create anything you want. You can automate any email inbox. You can summarize anything you want. And what I would recommend is going to Amplitude and getting all the access to all the models, because there are many models here which you can input. And if you want access to all the models, you can use the premium version. So you can get the pro version on Amplitude. Yeah, you would just put in GPT OSS 20B as a model instead, the Gwen coder. It's as easy as that. So check it out, and wish you the best. Good luck coding. Have fun.